welcome to another episode of Stamp Time with Miss Jane. Today we're going to be having a bit of fun with the Simply Fabulous stamp set because it's simply fabulous and you can do lots of simple stamping with it. To do my sentiment first today because I need to be able to line up where this is going to do a little bit of masking on my card. Doing a little bit of embossing with a just say hello. Hello to you today. Hello, hello, hello. So I have my just saying hello sentiment heat embossed and ready to go. Come in with a piece of basic white, which is 9.5 by 13.9 centimeters, and I want to get a post-it note, and I just wanted to have this sentiment ready so I could work out roughly where I wanted it to be. So I roughly want it here on my card. So I'm going to put my post-it note just there. So, what is she doing? She says. What is she doing today? I'm coming in with my Regal Greens. I have shaded Spruce. I have Old Olive. And I have Garden Green. And the Rich Razzleberry. All the Regals. Gonna make a Regal card. Simply Stampin'. Okie dokie. Shaded Spruce. And I'm gonna pop him out of the corner. Then a Old Olive. And then a Garden Green. Make sure we got all that leaf covered there. We've got a bit of a gap. Clean that off. It's like there's a hole. That's better. Garden Green. Then we'll have another Old Olive. Now for a shaded Spruce. Okay, now back over to this side. I'm going to do an Old Olive leaf. And a Garden Green. And then I'm going to move my piece of post-it note. So pick that up and work out where that will be. And then pop this way. Okay, now I'm after the shaded Spruce one. Out to the side and Old Olive. And Garden Green. Now, try not to get these confused, Miss Jane, because that would just be very tragic. And an Old Olive. And another, whoop, nearly went to the wrong ink pad, shaded Spruce. So now can move that away and bring in my rich razzleberry and add these cute little flowers. These little flowers look like love hearts. They're just a bit cute. So on top of there, and on top of there. 1, 2, 3 on there. And a tiny weeny bit. And that is my stamping. Now I'm going to put this on a basic white A4 long ways, 10.5 by 29.7 centimeters. And I'm just going to use some liquid glue on the back of that one. This is some nice simple stamping with a little bit of masking. Now you can actually put your sentiment straight into there on this cardstock, and that is a super simple stamping, simple card. Stamps, ink and paper. However, I did do this sentiment just to pop it up and make it a bit more fancy, because I like fancy. So I'm going to pop that up on some dimensionals. And just to finish that off, I have a bit of white twine. And I'm going to pop that on with a mini glue tool. Letting that flow down. And that is my very simple, Simply Fabulous card. Hope you like this card. It is a nice easy one for you to give a try at home. And thanks for spending some time with Miss Jane today. Until next time, keep smiling, keep stamping.